Hey garden friends, y'all remember this video I did on the Roald Dahl rose garden? So right beyond it, I'm about to share with you guys. I've been working on this half circle garden for several months now. It looks both beautiful and ugly. It's a work in progress. So I'm about to get in here real quick, do a blitz weeding, and once I do that, then I'm going to assess the plants that's in there, remove what needs to be removed, hopefully nothing, and then follow up with a nice layer of mulch. Prior to mulching, I'll go ahead and do a compost and light fertilization as well. Before I do that, check out the beans, the lima beans, which is FH 242, and then the squash. And it looks like I got 1, 2, 3, 4, all 5 germinated, so that's good. Obviously only one can stay here because these squash get pretty big. And here's the sweet potato. I just got some mulch, some bedding mulch for them because a lot of weeds are starting to pop up around them naturally. Anytime you till the soil or disturb the soil, all you're doing really is bringing up all the weeds. So, yep. All right, let's get back to this half circle garden. All right guys, so in this segment, I'm gonna go ahead and just speed it up because it's just me pulling a whole bunch of weeds. It's a complete mess. And I did go ahead and choose to put this garden underneath 2 of these Nellie Stevens Hollies. So what ends up happening is during the spring months, they drop their leaves. So in addition to the weeds, as you guys can see, there are a lot of spent leaves. So guess I'll start in the back and work my way to the front. So as you can see right here, I started this border and it's not perfect. It's not razor sharp like most of my borders are. And that's on purpose. I want this to be formal and informal. So the point of the border is to contain all the mulching materials and the plant materials on the inside of the bed, and all the grass and weeds and whatever else have you on the outside of the bed. All right. Hey family, so at this phase, I'm wrapping it up. I have about a few more feet left of this brick border to go ahead and install. Prior to that, I'm gonna run around with the mallet and just tamp down the bricks to make sure they have better contact with the soil. tamped down, all tamped down.